Hi, this is photographer James Falkowski, and I'm here demonstrating a new USB microphone that I purchased on Amazon. The microphone has a USB plug-in, and it also has echo and headphone output. So this microphone has a really tight cardioid pattern. So right now I'm speaking into the front of the microphone, and now you'll notice as I turn the microphone away from me that the volume level gets quite a bit less on the microphone. So this is helpful for eliminating those background noises when you're trying to do a clean recording. The microphone also has an echo adjustment, so I'm going to try and dialing in little bits of echo and then increasing that over time. So the echo knob is at the top. Hard to focus on that here. So a little bit of echo, a little more echo, and this is full echo turned on. And I'll also demonstrate the mute button. And now with the green light, the microphone is back active. I'll turn off the echo so it's not so distracting. So overall, I'm very pleased with this. The sound quality is very good for the price range. Again, I really like the tight cardioid pattern on this so that it eliminates some of that background noise that you would normally get with other microphones and recording. The one thing that I would suggest though is adding a longer microphone cable on it, which is in this case a USB cable. So I've put a 20-foot cable on mine. The one that came with this device, I think, was only about 4 or 5 feet long. So by the time I plugged it in the back of my computer, I couldn't move the microphone at all. So that was a bit distracting. So anyway, I purchased this at a discount from Amazon Warehouse. I'm very pleased with it for, again, the price point, and I would recommend it to others.